welcome to a brand new video. This is the same day as the carbon fiber dash install. If you guys are curious about that, go ahead and go look at my recent video. It's going to be published before this one, and just check out how I installed that carbon fiber dash. And honestly, just a big step for the interior, I feel like. And let's see what's happening today. Before I show you guys what came in today, let me just show you guys the interior. So again, carbon fiber dash, and some of this stuff, whatever it is going to be going in this general direction. If you can guess it, drop it below. But other than that, let's get to the unpackaging. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Where's the box at? There it is, already opened. You know, I could not wait. This is not a paid product placement for Carbon Add-ons, but definitely could be if they want to sponsor me. My Instagram is in the link below. Get out this nice packaging. Let me tell you guys, if you guys order anything from Carbon Add-ons, it is going to smell amazing. Where's that air scent? This thing smells so good. I have no idea what scent this is, but if anybody knows, please let me know in the comments below. Let's see what we got. Oh, my favorite. Come on. These are the brand new products, carbon fiber for the AC vents. I'll show you guys in a bit where it goes. That's the pair to it. Let's see, what do we got here? One of the big carbon fiber overlays in the interior, and in this. Come on. So this is another carbon fiber piece. If you guys can guess where that goes. Just a little hint, this is going to go inside that. Carbon fiber red again. So the goal is red and black carbon fiber interior, so it's going to be mainly black with a couple red accents. But let's get on to the install. Alright, coming in guys with I think the best mod for it first. It's going to have to be the air freshener. It smells amazing. Need to figure out what scent that is, but we got that in there. Oh, it smells so good. But let's see, what do we want to do first? First, I think we'll start over there. Alright, so first thing first, we went ahead and got this area all cleaned. And then we'll do a little test fit so the products are cleaned as well. So this will go in something like this. And where's the start stop button? Still gotta take it out of its packaging, but that will go in there like that. Thinking start stop button first and then this. So give me 1 second while I take this out of the package and take off the tape. Anyone curious about what the inside looks like? So the carbon fiber. But let's get this thing on. I'm gonna set you guys right here. Don't want to mess this up at all. Alright, let's get it on. And I think right there it looks good. Just hold it on there for a little bit, probably like 10 seconds. Oh, it's turning on everything. Oh well. Oh, you can see the little green light in between. Alright, so that's all on there. A little look at that. It looks super nice. I'm gonna clean it again. Okay, so I got this all peeled off. I don't know if you guys have ever peeled off double-sided like 3M adhesive tape. It's usually a pain in the butt to get off the little red film that goes on top of here. This one honestly came off really easy, and it just showed the great quality tape that they use because it does not come off on top of here. But let's get this on. Come on. There's only really one way this thing could fit. So we gotta slide it on from the back. And I think that's it right there. Let's press it down. Make sure it really sticks. Not honestly too concerned about it falling off or anything, just because. Oh, there here I got you guys, just because the products I've used like in other vehicles and from them before always work great. Honestly, if anybody's watching from Carbon Add-ons, sponsorship would be amazing. Otherwise, I will continue buying your guys' products. I'm gonna get them no matter what, but it would be nice, you know, a little bit of help. But I think that looks really cool. Red carbon fiber, black carbon fiber. If you guys want more quality pictures, definitely Instagram is gonna be where it's at. And I think this is all on. All right, let's get on to the next thing. Honestly, I have no idea if you guys have kind of figured out, but the goal is to get as much carbon fiber in here as we can, and just all this chrome, satin chrome, whatever silver color you want to call it, just get rid of all that. The whole car needs to be black and then red. So I already got red seat belts. Majority of the car is going to be black, just because that's the color that kind of goes best, and then red details wherever we can put, red accents wherever we can do. Yeah, so we'll get this cleaned up and then I'll show you the piece going on. All right, so I got this product cleaned. Let's place this. Is going to go on just like that. Look at that comparison, red and black. I think it looks amazing. It hides all the chrome on the inside as well. So let me peel all this off and let's stick it on. Alright guys, I wouldn't be me if I didn't mess up something totally easy. I was ripping off the tape, as you can see right here, and right here I took off the tape and the little protective solution. But I think honestly this tape is like so sticky that it's going to last. So kind of, oh shit, nope, come on. Alright, kind of get it on, and oh, looks perfect fitment all the way around, like that. Yeah, that's that side perfectly on. Let's do the other side. All right guys, we're on the other side. It looks like this side is really dirty, so what we're gonna go ahead and do is clean it off really well so that the tape can stick to it really well. I'm going to be cleaning the inside and outside, and I have been using Auto MV's Interior Plus if you guys are curious for that. So we're just going to clean it off, clean the outside surroundings, and then we'll take off the sticker right now and we'll check back in. Alright guys, so this is what it's supposed to look like. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like really clear. Let's get this thing on. And I think, oh shit, a lot harder than I expected with one hand. I think that's where it's supposed to go on. Give me 1 second guys, be patient with me. Yeah, right there, that's it. That's the money spot. Yep. So right there I kind of messed up. I don't know if you guys could see right there, chrome part shows, but on this side no chrome is shown at all. That's what we want to see. That is a finished product. I'm honestly not sure if they make like a little carbon fiber piece that goes all the way around here. I have not seen anything, so that might be the small little carbon piece that goes on for here. To be honest with you guys, I forgot where all these pieces go. I know this one obviously goes here, so that's what that's gonna look like. Gotta figure out where all these pieces go, and then I'll check in with you guys. We'll clean it all up and then we'll get to fitting it on. Okay, so guys, through some little investigation, we found out that right here one strip goes, then the second strip goes in this region right here, then another one goes in right there, and then one goes in on that side, and that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna clean off all the surfaces, kind of get everything ready and prepped, and then we'll start on this side and make our way that way. Okay guys, hope you guys have a good view. Can't really do much about the lighting, it kind of sucks, but so it looks like this is gonna go like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel off the little tape, I'm gonna lower this, I'm gonna line it up along the top of it, and we'll do this edge. Maybe we'll kind of, let's see what looks better. If we kind of run it along that edge, it kind of gets short. If we run it along this edge, it gets short. So we're gonna kind of have to find a happy medium. Let's see how it goes. First thing first, let's take off this tape. Look guys, look how easy this is. Usually tape's not sticking to the other product and it takes forever, but not in this case. So I'm gonna hold let's see, I think like right here, think of that. It is, I don't know. What do we think about this? It looks pretty even along the bottom, which is kind of what we want. And on the sides, I feel like it's a nice even gap. So I think we're gonna go ahead and stick her on. And of course, I'm pressing from the bottom, and then from the bottom we will go up, just because I rather it stick on the bottom real well. And yeah. So a couple of you guys might be asking why I didn't get the carbon fiber overlay from Carbon Add-ons. I actually got this from, what is it called, Wild Hammer Motorsports, because I didn't want to overlay and have this like kind of peel off, because I'm sure in a couple years this will peel off. I mean, it's just tape glue at the end of it. So right now I'm pretty optimistic that it won't. It'll stay on, you know, do its thing. But this is something I wanted forever. This, you know, could always buy more. It's not as expensive. The piece for this is pretty expensive on there, and you know, I kind of like how real carbon fiber, like this is real as well, but you guys know what I mean. Sorry for the glare right there, but this piece is gonna go on right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Oh no, I'll leave it right there. Yeah, just like that right there. So let's get the tape off. Easy, easy. Never seen double-sided tape, like the little red part, come off so easy. It's honestly so nice. It's perfect. So I think with this we went a little too low. Maybe we should have installed this first and then lined it up, but honestly can't really tell. Bring you in a little closer. So this is how this is looking. I know I got a ton of fingerprints on it, but that's how that looks. Let's hop on to the other side. So guys, to have some carbon fiber matching with this, not matching I guess, but just to have more carbon fiber on this side, they gave us a piece that goes right here, and I believe it's going to be this one, and it comes in just like that. So that's what that's going to look like. Kind of move around the light for reflection, but that's what that's going to look like. And then the other piece is going to go right there. Of course you guys can't see, but let me get this side prepped. Honestly, I really didn't want to mess this up, so I couldn't get the camera, but that's what it looks like. So now we got that carbon piece, that carbon piece. Let's move on to this side. All right, so back on this side, now we're going to be putting carbon fiber right there and right there. I think there's one piece here. Let me set the light down. So it looks like there's one piece that runs from here to here, one piece that runs, I believe, down here, there to, geez, this whole lighting thing is pretty hard in a tiny car. But yeah, right there and right there. Let's get it started. All right, I'm gonna put you guys right here. First part, it's gonna be this part, and this is gonna be the test fit. Don't want my arm in the way of your guys' view, but yeah, so that's how that piece is gonna go in. Oh, it's gonna go in just like that. Perfect. Alright, so I just prepped and cleaned this place. This is the dry fit that we got going on. This part's gonna be a little hard for this part right here, but let's get this peeled off and let's get started. Let's see, this is good lighting. Again, sorry for the lighting in this video. Definitely need to get something better for when I'm making videos at night, so just bear with me guys. I will definitely have a lot better pictures on my Instagram so that you guys could see the quality and everything of this. But so far I'm honestly in love with the quality. Everything really fits really well. So let's see, this part is getting stuck right there. This is like that. And see, Let's see if that goes. I have to find. Ooh, where's my pry tool? I'll kind of use this. We'll shove it in there. And I think that's perfect. Yep. Perfect fit. Get that all nice and pressed against. Okay, so it looks like this is going a little higher, but that's gonna be that. This is the next part. Make sure it's nice and clean, no dust. Last part, a little test fit. So this is gonna be kind of like that. Kind of trying to line it up with this as best as I can, but for some odd reason it's not like 100%, which shouldn't say odd. It is what it is, aftermarket parts. But so if we kind of, let's see, we kind of do it on top. I guess I should have been messing around like this with the paper on. Oh, I think this is it. I think that's it right there. Boom. Perfect. Now guys, give me 1 second while I get everything in here cleaned, and I will show you guys the results. Most probably I am going to use the iPhone camera just because it records better at night, but let me show you guys how this all looks after I clean it. Alright guys, that is going to conclude today's video. So last video we got the carbon fiber dash installed. This video we did get the rest of the carbon fiber accessories put on, such as the start stop button, the little housing for the start stop button, and then all the way across the dash, as well as the AC vents. I think that's going to change the inside a lot. I'll definitely get more pictures once it is sunny outside. I'll get camera and get in there and get really good pictures. Other than that guys, that concludes the video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, whether it be on the interior, exterior, carbon fiber, performance parts. That's something else I need to tell you guys about. I do have, let's just tell you guys at this point, I do have an X-pipe on the way. Won't tell you guys what company it's from and what type of X-pipe it is, but that's been on back order for a month now. So I ordered it July 20th, around there, and they told me August 10th they do get a shipment in. So fingers crossed we get that shipment maybe the 15th or something. Hopefully we'll get that installed, and once that gets installed, the performance mods are going to begin. I do have a couple parts already at my house, just waiting on that. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always like, comment, and subscribe. Huge shout out to Carbon Add-ons. They didn't hook it up this time, but hopefully we can get a sponsorship or anything like that. But I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Until next time.